Hey y'all, today we're going to be talking about Diff's charitable eyewear sunglasses. So what Diff is in case you didn't know what Diff is a sunglass company where if you buy one pair of sunglasses, they donate a pair of reading glasses to a child in need. So it's kind of like Tom's, but for glasses. I'll just show you a couple that I have right here in front of me. This one is called Penny. These are my favorite ones right now. These were my favorite ones last summer. I don't know, I just love really big sunglasses, and everywhere we go, when we went on summer vacation last summer, everyone was like, oh my god, where did you get those? And I was like, Diff. So these I got lots of compliments on, and they have lots of different styles. I mean colors, not styles. They have lots of different styles in this particular one, and they're super cute. These are the regular sunglasses, and I do have some different ones. These are the Jesse James Decker glasses. They come in that little cute sparkle case. Oh, these are really dirty. These were my very first pair of Diff glasses, actually, so they're a little banged up. These were my favorite forever. I also have these in several other different colors. I didn't pull them out because they're the exact same sunglass shape and everything. They're just in the different colors. These were my favorite because I was obsessed with aviators forever. So as soon as I saw these, I was like, I need to have those. And the other like special whatever sunglasses that they had were the Demi Lovato glasses. They come in this little case, and inside it has Demi Lovato times Diff. And I got these. I only have one pair of these. I didn't really care for the way they looked on me, but I thought they were cute, and I love Demi, so I had to buy them. These are the blue ones, I believe. And they usually run anywhere from $45 to $85. Sometimes they're more, sometimes they're less, something in the middle. They have lots of different shapes, styles. If you have a specific type of sunglass that you like to wear, they definitely have those for you. And they're fun, and like I said, it's a charitable cause. So if you're buying your sunglasses, yeah, you can buy them for cheaper, but you're not going to be helping a child in need if you go to the, I don't know, Forever 21 or wherever and buy the little $20 sunglasses. These, you're actually helping people. The other, a couple of weeks ago, they had a little thing, I think it was in Chicago, where they had a big old thing, and they had a whole bunch of eye doctors out there, and they were just doing eye exams like out on the street, and I thought that was really awesome. So this is a great company to get behind if you're into charity and helping others. This is definitely something that y'all should look into. And I really love these. Like, I've had these Jesse James Decker ones, all of them actually. These were the very first ones that I bought. I want to say I've had them for 3 years, 2 years maybe. I can't remember the first time I bought them, but I loved them. I loved the way they fit, and they last. Like, my dog got a hold of these. I don't know if you can tell, they're like really banged up, and they still, like, I still wear these to the beach. I still wear them to the river when we go to the lake. Like, these are my rough and tough glasses. My other ones that I wore last summer, I only wore them when we were going out. They're still pretty good. Like, they're in good shape. I take care of those, and these are perfect condition because I only wear them like when I don't have sunglasses. I just keep these in my car just in case, and throw them on just because I don't want to get those messed up. These were kind of expensive. So like I said, these are great sunglasses. It's a great cause, and I definitely recommend Diff Eyewear. They're awesome. So those were just a couple of some of the styles that they have. You should definitely check it out, and I will leave a link to the website down in the description bar. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave comments, let me know what y'all think, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye!